I know a young gal, she went from red hair to a lace front. Both parents in the home not perfect, want the best for her, that's where she came from. Correction in her errors, tell her right, they can't tell her nothing, she know it all. Like they're dumb, making life all for herself, dropping F-bombs, and the F-bombs she don't give one, she'll tell you two wrongs don't make a right, but respect she don't give, cause she feel like she don't get none, tryna get a baller, she barely dressed, with 6-inch heels on. Got a tongue on her back, lower back, tat, hope for the trap, bro, pushing up a rat, trying to get spotted by the dude with the rats, can't bear bills, that fat number stacks, raising an Iceland development, lifestyle streams, the hood is where it's at, hangs with the girls, that's less fortunate, every weekend in the club, girl, we gon' act, which they switch positions, cause the hood isn't where it's at, knowing they could and should do better, but they never tell her that, my heart is broken and contrite, I pray one day that you'll see the light, that's why I throw living bread at them, like we're in a food fight, that's why I throw living bread at them, like we're in a food fight. That's why I throw living bread at them like we're in a food fight. Jesus Life. 2TMG. JLSC. Sheep Club.